My name is Kutada, and today I will be showing you guys a great thing. And I know I've not been uploading consistently, but I'm back with a great thing today. And I would like to just introduce myself first. My name is Kutada, and I recently launched an AI automation agency a few months ago. And I know I'm still beginning all of it, but I just wanted to share my knowledge with you guys and just tell you guys how it works. So let's just start. So this is a pretty unique bot that I have here today. So what it does is that, let me just give you a brief introduction. What it does is that it will actually, it's able to go and surf the websites, surf all the websites, take screenshots, or if you ask it anything, it's basically a ChatGPT but on steroids. Okay, so let me just show you how it works. But it's actually able to send you transcribed messages. It's able to get the content from the image you can upload, and get your YouTube videos about all of that, generate images for you, charts, or do anything that you want. Okay, so let me just show you guys. So first of all, we have here is a time. Okay, here's a time code module. That's what I've put for the time. That's this usual code for the time one. And after that, we just go on along to this autonomous node. Okay, so we're not really using a standard node here. We're using a autonomous node. Okay, so what an autonomous node is that? An autonomous node is a node which will actually just do the work all by itself. You just have to give it a specific instruction. And rather than a general node, a standard node in which we have we have to define everything, all thing, it just does everything by itself in a whole row. So we have these instructions that we've given it. So we just give it the current date that will actually taking on from here. And like before, told it that you're a task-driven AI system designed for autonomous operation through interaction. And you must perform task-based executions with detailed thinking and reasoning between steps. Use the task table system to organize and track tasks, update the task list in corresponding subtasks and columns with each turn. So what the think tool does is that it's enabled queue and execute all with your think tool directly to run thinking in order to reason. And we have actually told it to reason and plan according to the steps to avoid redundancy. And we have to have it write variables and everything to just ensure accurate tracking. And we have it execute tools with collected outputs to guide them with the subsequent decisions. So we've actually given it three indicators. So one is thinking, processing, and ready. So it will help itself for the to track all the task flow. And in the work variables, we've actually given it current state, text enable, visual content, processing indicators. The task table columns that we've given it this is a task table. Task table is that we've actually created a table in which all the tasks will be written and will be processed from there. So we're given a task list, subtask, and we've said it that every turn you must actively think, reason, execute with focus, never be passive, be proactive in continuous task and planning next steps. Use a tool at your disposal and just maintain and in organized management. Then we've actually enabled the voice box. Okay, so what the voice box is that? The voice box is a tool, or voice box is a system that we're using inside the bot press, which actually enables our bot to transcribe the messages. So first of all, it will just write the whole damn message, and then it will just give it to the voice box, and the voice box will just create a whole audio transcription of it. And then we have to we can actually provide code examples for the user by writing code into the voice box code variable, so the user can actually just make sure that it's all there in the voice box conversation. The system uses voice box conversations. And then we have the coding here. So first we've given it the line plot, and let's just have it load. Yeah. So let me just get back to it. Let me just go on to generate image first. Okay, so we've actually given generate image option 2, but we have only said that if the user asks for something. Okay, if the user actually asks for to generate image, only then will it generate the image. It will not just generate the image by itself or for normal image requests. I really hope it's loaded now. I don't know why it's not loading, to be honest. But next is like the boiling point table, and we've actually just given it enable operations as the create rows and find rows. Then it's a task table, we've given it like create, delete, find, update. And for the memory table, we're given the same. And for the knowledge table, we've actually given it like rows and find rows. So what all of this, let me just show you guys the tables too. So yeah, these are the tables, and yeah, so these are the boiling points of the certain elements that I put in them, and then here's the knowledge table, and so this is like the capabilities that we've actually just put it. So let me just show you this one. This is yes, that bankroll management of to analyze crypto. You can actually even analyze crypto markets using this. I've actually tried it and it was actually pretty good, and it's actually designed to do that. Just like analyze the whole crypto market to be able to like give you like whether the it will be bullish or like whether the fear index or greed index will be up or low. It just can't do with all of it. And then there's a memory table, and yeah, here's I've just given it like each voice and every interaction is through audio, and like here's an example. See, I've given it for the researching. So here's a sample of 5 lakh NHL parlor ticket, and yeah, so it can actually just understand how the whole researching the internet works, and then we've actually like given it that you can actually just explore the full web. And then there's a task table, and it will just actually divide the task and subtasks after we run it by itself. So these were the all tables, and like then we've actually given it an option of extract content from image. If you actually just provide it a content, or what it can also do is that it will just go on to like a website, and just if you've asked it for like crypto analysis, it will just go to website, take a screenshot, and then it will just extract the content by itself, and like it will just see what it can do. It will like then go over to video. It will just go over to video like we've actually like here. So this is another workflow. So in this we have actually given you instructions that you can actually run the video tool and like just go on to YouTube and like just use the scrape data tool that we've actually given it. Let me just show you the workflows too. So here's the browse workflow, here's the search, video to voice box. So yeah, so in the browse one, I've actually just given it that standard, and like the browse pages, this is the option in the WordPress that you get. And in the video, you can actually just see that I've actually given it like the see, here's the code for it. It will just go on and like just fetch the URL, scrape data, and like if you just get the thumbnail for it, and like after that, it will just get save it all and save all the instructions and everything, and we just go and keep searching. This is the whole code for like the searching on YouTube video, and after it's searching, it will just come on to main, and like it will just show you guys that okay, I found videos here, and it will just show you in the carousel, and it can just go onto the website and just browse and everything. Just go and like I told you, you can just take a screenshot of everything and just analyze it again, just show it to you the screenshot as it is. And then finally it is a voice box. Okay, so the voice box, I've already told you that it just transcribes the text into audio, and like after it just goes on to like this, and this is for this memory table. So we've actually just adjusted the control and number of records, and then we technically just actually just putting all the memory records and just storing them in the memory table. And like after that, it just goes and stores all the records and everything again to the memory table. And like after that, just get the current date and time again, and then it will just clear the voice box. Okay, because the voice box, it also has it gets its own specific code after every audio is transcribed. So what it does is that it just goes onto the voice box and just clears it. And then finally it has the extract images and details. If we just go on to the like the images that you've actually provided, and we'll just extract the whole content and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole introduction of this bot. So let me just run it for you guys so you can have an idea of how it works and everything. So it will just ask for my, let me just put in everything. Tell me about WordPress. So what it will do is that will just go on to like everywhere, just search, and it will just yeah. So it's actually in the autonomous node now, and it will just go on along, and it will just go on to the search one, and it will just go search, and in the search it will just search for about the WordPress and everything, and find it said like it has just finished searching about the WordPress, and just going on to like the voice box, and now voice box is also pretty much completed, and now yeah, it's just given me the whole information about WordPress. And here's the audio.
WordPress is an all-in-one platform
Yeah,
for delivering
see.
AI agents powered by the latest.
Yeah, so you can have it like do anything, or you can have it just as an assistant, or you can just have it like you can have it as a crypto like a agent, or like you can actually have it analyze crypto markets, and like have it ask whether the coin will go up or down. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, and like thanks to all you guys for watching, and for like every time I'll be just giving this away for this spot for free. To get it, you just have to like DM me on my Instagram and just type me the word bot. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the video. Thanks to you guys for watching, and you can watch my other videos on the YouTube channel too. And if you want me to like create this especially for the trading or like the crypto market, then just tell me in the comments, and I'll just specialize this for the coin market and just provide it to you guys. So bye, and have a great day guys, and be sure to subscribe and like the channel.